What's up, everyone? This is Cowboy B over here at Wetjet Performance. We got great news. The Freestyle V2 bars are ready. We got the machine riser that's here, and you'll see in the pic right there. So we made that specifically for the Spark, and it boasts the fat bars. This is the first one that you can get where you can go from the 7/8 to the 1 1/8. So you can only fit 7/8 on here like you see on all the other Sparks that we have. This one is super thick wall. It's double wall, gives you a really good riding position. And these, you don't need the support bar. If you bend these, you're gonna be hurt. You gotta be Hercules or the Incredible Hulk. But they look nice, we got them all in stock. All we have to do is finish making a few risers, which will be ready next week, so we can at least sell 10 or 20. We're gonna make about 200 sets of risers because we got 250 sets of bars. But just wanna give you a look, see what they look like. I showed you earlier. Man, these look awesome. Way better than OEM and better than the Freestyle bars that we got, but of course they cost a bit more. But you get what you pay for, and you do not have to spend $1,000 for these versus like the Riva ones or the Works bars, because I believe the trixx riser is good enough. Just needed to make the custom risers here, the adapter to fit the 1 1/8 fat bars. So we got all the goodies for your trixx. Just letting you know that we got it worked out and did it in less than a week, and we're going to be shipping them out next week. If you want them, I'll put them on the website tonight.